Hi guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make this vegan orange loaf cake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to make your buttermilk. So to do that, get your milk and place in some vinegar, mix and set aside for around 7 to 10 minutes and let it do its thing. While you're waiting for that, you can go ahead and grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your flour, sugar, baking powder and bicarbonate of soda, and not forgetting to add in the orange zest at this stage, and then just mix this until it's combined. So once they're combined, you can then go ahead and add in the milk mixture and keep the mixing going, and add in your vanilla extract, and not forgetting then to also add in your oil. Mix until everything is fully incorporated, so I like to mix it for around a minute to a minute and a half, then give the bowl a good scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits that may not be fully worked in, so don't forget to get the top and the bottom of the bowl. Then you can go ahead and grab your lined loaf pan and pour in all of that batter, or as much as you can fit in your pan. I did add the rest, I just wanted to make sure that it was the right amount, and it was in the end. So then here's what it looks like just before it goes in the oven. All the information you need to bake it will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out. Then later on I let it cool down, and this is fresh from the oven. I take a cocktail stick or a skewer and I just poke holes in the top of the cake all over, and then I let it cool for around 5 minutes. And then into a small bowl, take your orange juice and sugar, equal amounts, mix them together, and then brush this over the top of the cake. This will add a fresh orange flavour and will really intensify just the flavour and the texture of the cake, so don't forget to do this. Again, not option, it is optional, but I like to do it as it adds so much flavour and moisture, so do that and you will notice a massive difference. Let it cool completely and then you're good to go. It's a very soft and very orangey cake. If you like lemon, you'll like this. So then you can cut it up into as many or as few pieces as you would like and serve with on its own or with a hot drink. It's really up to you. So here's what the cake looks like up close. It's the perfect orange cake. If you like lemon drizzle, you will definitely like this. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to my social medias. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.